Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am here with the practice set 11 of common errors, one word for another. Student, in the previous video lecture, I have given you 25 sentences of common errors, and now here there are 50 sentences of common errors. Student number 1. Here in each sentence there is one error, so we have to find out and place the correct word. Number 1, student, my salary is rupees 400 per month. So student, per month is the wrong word. We can write per mensum or a month. My salary is rupees 400 a month, or my salary is rupees 400 per mensum. Now number 2, student, my salary is rupees 4800 per year. So per year is wrong word. We can write per annum or a year. Number 3, please credit this amount to my name. So student, here amount is the wrong word. We can write please credit this account to my name. Number 4, student, goodbye Ram, I am glad to see you. So student, here goodbye, we can't say goodbye when we are going to meet anyone. What we can say? We can say good evening Ram, I am glad to see you. Now next one, student, good night sir, you are welcome. So when we welcome anyone, and if it is evening time, so we can say good evening sir, you are welcome. We can't say good night, because we say good night when we are going to sleep. Now the next one, student, number 6, the weather of this place suits me. So student, weather is, what is weather? Weather is a short term condition of any place, but here the correct word is climate is what? Climate is the long term condition of any place. That's why the climate of this place suits me. The weather is wrong word. Now number 7, student, he is devoted to gambling. So gambling is a bad game, student, so we can't use here good sense devoted. Devoted is used in good sense. So what we can use here? Addicted. Instead of devoted, we can say addicted. Addicted is used habitual in bad sense. So addicted is the correct word here. Number 8, there is lack of poverty here. So lack is incorrect word here. Instead of lack, what will here? Absence of. There is absence of poverty here. Number 9, I gave him a check of rupees 500. So of is not the correct word. For rupees 500 is the correct word, correct preposition. Number 10, this great poem is very artful. So artful is not correct word, student. Artistic is the correct word. Number 11, I like your childish nature. So childish is incorrect word here. Instead of childish, what will be the correct one? Childlike nature. So student, we have done 11 sentence. Now next one. Number 12, student, Shakespeare was an imaginary poet. So imaginary is not correct word. Imaginative poet. We can say Shakespeare was an imaginative poet. Now, as he is sick, he is absent. So here sick is not correct word. What we can write? As he is ill, he is absent. Now number 14, please grant me ill leave. So ill leave is not correct word. What we can say, student? Sick leave. Please grant me sick leave. Number 15, what the cause for delay? So for is the incorrect preposition here. Before delay, what we use? Cause of delay. So of is the correct preposition. Number 16, there is no cause of complain. So cause of complain is wrong here. Cause for complain is the correct preposition here. Number 17, she is somewhat tall for her age. So somewhat is the correct, somewhat is the incorrect word. Incorrect intensifier is used here. What will be the correct intensifier, student? Too or rather. She is too tall for her age, or she is rather tall for her age is the correct answer. Now the next one, student, number 18. The great saint is notorious in the spiritual field. Student, notorious is not the correct word. Notorious is we use for in bad sense. So what is we use in good sense? Student, we use famous. Famous we use in good sense. So what will be the correct sentence here? The great saint is famous in the spiritual field. Now next word, number 19, you are a luxuriant man. So luxuriant is not a correct word. What will be here correct one? Luxurious. You are a luxurious man. Number 20, please shut the tap. So we can't use here shut. Shut is used for what? Shut is used for door, for windows, not for the tap. So for tap, which word we will use? Turn off. Please turn off the tap. Number 21, student, bread is made of flour. So of is wrong here because from is the correct word, correct preposition here, student. Bread is made from flour because flour changed the form here, that's why from is used. Now number 22, he is very coward. So coward is the incorrect word. For instead of coward, what we can say? He is very cowardly. Now number 23, he is our mutual friend. So instead of mutual, what will be? Common friend, not mutual friend. Number 24, he rose by dint of sheer merit. So what will be instead of sheer? Sheer is the wrong word here. Instead of sheer, here great is the correct word. He rose by dint of great merit. So 24 sentence we have done, student. Now number 25. They are fast enemies. So student, we are using the word fast for friends, not for enemies. So here friend is the correct word here. Number 26. They are sworn enemies. So sworn is used for, sworn is not used before enemies. What will be the correct word? Avoided. Avoided enemies. They are avoided enemies. Number 26, student, I richly deserve this honor. So again here richly is the intensifier used here, that is wrong one. Which intensifier will be used here? Highly or greatly? I highly deserve this honor, or I greatly deserve this honor. Number 28, I highly deserve this punishment. So highly is not used in bad sense. So what we can use here? Richly. He richly deserve this punishment. Now again student 29, it is utterly right. So utterly is not used here. It is not correct word. Perfectly right. For perfectly we can use the word, for right we can use the word perfectly. Number 30, I have done good at the examination. So good is not the correct word. Well is the correct word here. I have done well at the examination. Now 30 questions we have done. Now 31. The thief stood in front of the judge. So in front of is not the correct preposition used here. What will be the correct preposition? Before the judge. It is 4:30 in my watch. So in is the incorrect preposition. Again, it is 4:30 by my watch is the correct sentence. Number 33, student, it is totally good. So totally is the correct incorrect word. Wholly good is the correct one. Number 34, it is totally clear. So totally is the incorrect word here. It is perfectly clear or it is thoroughly clear to me is the correct word. Number 35, it is totally right. So again totally is the wrong word. It is all right or it is perfectly right. So all and perfectly is the correct word here. Number 36, the pot is vacant. So we can't say here student the pot is vacant. Here what will be the correct word? Empty. The pot is empty. Number 36, 7. I admire her womanish virtues. So womanish is not the correct word here. Instead of womanish there will be womanly. The I admire her womanly virtues. Now we have done 37 question. Now 38. It is a historical event. Students, so historical is not the correct word. Historic event. It is a historic event. So historic is the correct word. Now number 39. My tooth is paining. So paining is not used for tooth. So what will be used? Aching. My tooth is aching. Number 40. I took my admission. So it is not the correct word that I took my admission. What we can say here? I was admitted or I got myself admitted is the correct sentence. I took my admission is wrong sentence. I was admitted, correct one, or I got myself admitted is the correct sentence. Number 41. I took my birth in 1995. So again is here student, this is incorrect one. I took my birth in 19, what we can say, I was born in 1995. I was born in 1995 is the correct sentence. Now number 45, he is invited me but I denied. So denied is the incorrect one. For denied what will be? Declined. I was he is invited me but I declined. Number 43, he denied to help me. So denied is again here incorrect word. For denied what will be the correct word? Refused. He refused to help me. Now 43 questions we have done. 44, she gave a speech. So we are not using give, verb give for speech. What we use is student? Delivered. So she delivered a speech is the correct word. A lot of men suspect the existence of God. So suspect is not the correct word student. Doubt. Doubt is the correct word. A lot of men doubt the existence of God. Now number 46, I don't like that he should go out. So student, he should go out is not the correct word. What we can write here? I don't like him to go out. I don't like him to go out. We can write this sentence like this and it is the correct one. Number 47, the sheep was drawn in the ship was drowned in the sea. So drowned is the incorrect word. Drowned is used for whom? For human being, for living things. So here student, for drowned what will be? But ship is what? Ship is not a living thing. It's a non-living thing. That's why sank is used here. Now fish float in the river. So here student again float is not used for fish because fish is living thing. That's why swim is the correct word here. Number 49, a piece of wood is swimming. Again a piece of wood is non-living things. That's why floating is used here. Number 50 and the last one, the picture was hanged. So student, hang is not used for non-living things. Hang is used for human being, that the man was hanged for capital punishment, the man was hanged. But here the picture is what? Non-living things. That's why what will be the verb second form of hang here? Hung. If it is non-living things, then we will make the verb second form hung. The picture was hung. So student, we have done 50 questions of common errors here. In the next video lecture, I will come with another common errors of different types. So keep watching my videos students. Like my channel, subscribe it and share it with your friends.